I welcome all of you on platform of Europedia Education, and you are watching the series of last moment motivational videos and directional videos in which I want to give some very short message to you which may help you just before the exam. So, only 3 days left. 3 days only left before exam. So what we should do and what we should not do. Before I tell you what is to be done, let me tell you what is not to be done. So I told you no new topic, that I told you last week itself. Don't basically go for any new topic. Even if your friends say this is a very, very important topic and we should go for it, in my opinion, you can avoid that. Unless until obviously you are saturated with your preparation level, that you are already very well prepared and you get extra time, additional time, very confident, you should not try any new topic. Second, no test series. Yes, no test series now, last 3 days. No new questions. You are not to attempt questions. I used to say the most important part of this entire preparation is that you are writing, solving questions, solving questions. Now I'm saying no new questions. No test series, no new question. No web series. This I've added the point because many of the students, that is a addiction to watch the web series, watch the YouTube videos, many things they tend to do to entertain themselves or something. They find it good or something. Don't waste much time. Maybe half an hour or something is okay, but don't waste much time on that also. You can prevent that. No unnecessary chatting with the friends. Social networking is to be stopped now for the 3 days, at least 3 days. We need to stop the chatting because sometime somebody will say something and your mind will get distracted and you will start thinking on those lines. Try to avoid negative people. Try to avoid the people who are advising you otherwise or who are telling you expecting scores from you. There will be so many people who know that you are putting effort, and when you put a lot of effort, 10 hours, 12 hours in the room, people start developing they start having expectations from you. The first question from them is you are going to score very high, आपका score बहुत अच्छा आ जाएगा. That is what people say. Try to avoid that. क्योंकि जब तुम बहुत मेहनत करते हो तो आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके रिलेटिव्स, आपके क्लोज फ्रेंड्स ये बोलते हैं कि नहीं नहीं तुम्हारा बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा यार, ऑल इंडिया रैंक बहुत अच्छा आ जाएगा, तुम्हारा पीएसयू मिल जाएगा. वो अननेसेसरी एक्सपेक्टेशन हमारे ऊपर प्रेशर माउंट करता है. आप सिंपली अगर कोई ऐसा बोलता भी है, इफ somebody is saying, you say I don't know, the preparation I am doing preparation not for rank or something, I want to give my 100%, so no expectation, no, I'm not going with that thing in my mind. So try to avoid that situation also. Lot of expectations from corner, from people and all, try to avoid so that people do not discuss that with you. Yes, you should not compare yourself with anyone. No student you should compare yourself with, because as I told you, everyone has different preparation level. Number two, some people give their not very honest appraisal. Somebody say no, मेरे तो जरा भी तैयारी नहीं है यार. Somebody will say नहीं नहीं मेरी तो बहुत तैयारी है यार, लास्ट ईयर इसमें से 10 क्वेश्चन आए थे, मैंने तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कर लिया. So that may affect your preparation and your stability, right? So do not compare yourself with anyone. Do not chat unnecessary. Do not let yourself distract. No questions, no टेस्ट सीरीज अभी नहीं लगाना है, बिकॉज इफ कोई टेस्ट सीरीज आपने लगाया उसमें आपको लगा मार्क्स कम आ गया, इट मे अफेक्ट यू. सो इफ नो नो नो, देन व्हाट शुड बी डन? एंड दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट हियर. व्हाट शुड बी डन? I think last 3 days you should sit with your pen and paper and start writing the formulas. Listen again, that is the most important part in the last 3 days. This GATE exam is very much basically inclined towards formulas. फॉर्मूला आप यूज करोगे और आंसर निकालोगे. आपने देखा होगा टेस्ट सीरीज में भी कि आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन फॉर्मूला से निकालते हो. देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन इन व्हिच फॉर्मूला विल बी यूज्ड. डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड. सो व्हाट इज टू बी डन इज लास्ट 3 days पेन पेपर एंड लॉट ऑफ फॉर्मूलाज. क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं करना है, फॉर्मूलाज एक्सप्रेशन याद करो, रिवाइज करो, सो दैट इन एग्जाम यू शुड रिमेंबर ऑल द फॉर्मूलाज. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ वन सब्जेक्ट से फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स. सो फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स में आप देखते हो कि ये फॉर्मूला से क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस इन फॉर्मूला से आए हैं. स्टार्ट रिवाइजिंग दोस फॉर्मूलाज. लाइक बर्नौली इक्वेशन है जिसमें से क्वेश्चन आता है तो आप फॉर्मूला लिखो. पीटर ट्यूब है उसमें से फॉर्मूला आता है तो आप उस फॉर्मूला को लिखो, सो दैट फॉर्मूला आपको ना भूले. So last 3 days, sir, what should be done? Revise all the formulas, because in the exam direct formula based questions will come, so that if formula is there in your mind, तो आप उस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। एंड ऐसे 40 to 50 मार्क्स के डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। सो व्हाट इज टू बी डन सर? लास्ट 3 days ओनली राइटिंग formulas, so that when I go to examination hall, formulas are very clearly in my mind. Formula based questions I can very easily solve. नए क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का बेनिफिट है इस स्टेज पे नहीं, अब इस स्टेज पे नहीं है। लास्ट 3 days बैलेंस रखना है और फॉर्मूलाज को लिखते जाना है, रिवाइज करते जाना है, एफर्ट बढ़ा दो एंड फॉर्मूला को रिवाइज कर लो। दैट इज व्हाट इज टू बी डन लास्ट 3 days. आई विल कीप कमिंग ऑन एंड जस्ट वन डे बिफोर व्हाट इज टू बी डन एंड हाउ इट इज टू बी taken forward, I will discuss with you. Last punchline is nothing to worry. I told you, irrespective of what score we get, let's respect our effort, let's respect our score later on, and there is nothing to worry. There are so many opportunities. If you think I'm selling you hope, let it be. I'm selling you that. And hope is a beautiful thing. I tell every time, it is a beautiful thing. It will help you. So stay motivated, stay positive, stay energetic, and invest your next 3 days in the strategy which I told you. Thank you.